We saw these adorable kittens in our neighborhood, and we wanted to help them and find them homes. We called our shelter, and they said that we can bring them over, and they will spay, vaccinate, and we could bring them home to foster. But if they didn't adapt well, they would have to take them back to their territory, which is considered TNR. But with a lot of work patience and a ton of playtime, they love playtime, they finally adapted after many, many months. And we decided to keep them and adopt them into our homes. And now they're happy, and we're so glad we took them in.